Hey friends, today I want to talk about the touchpad on your device. The touchpad works just like a computer mouse would. On our computer mouse, we can do things like click, we can click, drag, drop, we can scroll up and down, and you can do all those things on the touchpad too. So let's look at how. So on my touchpad, if I want to click on something, I am going to put my cursor on top of it, and then I can either push the touchpad to make the click sound, or I can just tap. Now I'm down here at the bottom of the page, so I need to scroll up. To scroll, I'm going to use 2 fingers, and I'm not going to click the touchpad. I'm just going to barely touch it. I'm going to use 2 fingers, and I'm going to scooch the screen up. And I can do the same going down. So scroll is 2 fingers lightly touching up and down. Now this activity is a draw about it, so I'm going to choose my drawing tool. So I'm going to click. I'm going to pick my color. Click. I want orange. Click. I'm going to scroll up. Now, in order to click, drag, drop, I like to use 2 hands. Okay? So with my left hand over here, I'm going to click the mouse and hold it. And with my right hand, I'm going to draw and drag. So I'm doing the click with one hand and the drag with the other, and then I let go of both to move somewhere else. Click, drag, drop. Click, drag, drop. The prompt asked me to draw a picture of my favorite website. I'm drawing a picture of Moby because I love BrainPop. So again, to click, you can just tap on the touchpad, or you can click and make the click sound. To scroll, you use 2 fingers lightly up and down. And to click, drag, drop, I use 1 finger to click and the other finger to lightly drag and draw my picture.